got loud and nobody knew. Had to pull the light down just to make it through. Higher learning faded, survival took the wheel. Wisdom old as nature taught the heart what not to feel.
In the silence that followed, looked like letting go. But beneath the stillness there was something growing slow. A hidden kind of mercy in the dark and in the still. Nature made a shelter where the broken parts could heal.
Going quiet,
Going inward,
wasn't giving up.
no.
It was a conversation only the nervous system knows. In the shelter nature builds, in the chrysalis of healing, where the wounded learn to breathe and the numbness starts revealing. What was paused is not abandoned. What was lost can live again. In the shelter nature builds, we begin.
We begin, we begin.
Withdrawal after trauma isn't failure, isn't fall. It's the body drawing curtains, making safety out of walls. Inside that sacred container, hidden from the noise, the youngest interrupted pieces slowly find their voice.
Concrete conclusions written in a frightened mind can be met with compassion, leave the sharp edges behind. Empathy and understanding touch what once was sealed, and the path that was interrupted starts turning back to heal.
Going quiet,
Going inward,
wasn't collapse at all.
oh.
It was a system making shelter so the self could hear the call. In the shelter nature builds, in the chrysalis of healing, where the wounded learn to breathe and the numbness starts revealing. What was paused is not abandoned. What was lost can live again. In the shelter nature builds, we begin, we begin. Not broken, just protected. Not gone, just underneath. Every shut door held a reason, every silence held a need. And when safety finds the body, development returns. What was frozen starts to soften.
What was buried starts to learn.
They're going inward.
They're going still.
Was nature saying here,
Here, in the shelter nature builds, in the chrysalis of healing, where the heart can meet its story without fear and without fleeing.
what was paused is not abandoned. What was interrupted bends back toward life, back towards wholeness, back to where becoming begins. Nature made the space for return. Nature made the place within. And in the shelter nature builds, we begin again.
We begin.